of word problem. Fine. Now, I have taken the question number 6 of practice at 1.5. Now, what is that? Out of 1900 kilometers, we shall travel some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. The bus travelled with the speed of 60 km per hour and aeroplane with 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance we shall travel by bus. Fine. So, to understand this problem, let us draw a line. That means we shall travel from this point to this point. That means from point A to point B. Fine. Now we shall took two vehicles. First is what bus and second is what plane. So let us assume that he travelled this much distance. Let it be C till C. From A to C, he travelled by bus. And from C to D, he travelled by aeroplane. So let the distance covered by bus be x and the distance covered by plane be y. Fine. And we know that the total distance is what? 1900, isn't it? And they have given us that bus average speed was 60 km per hour. And aeroplanes average speed is 700 km per hour. So I got all this sum by drawing this pictorial diagram. Fine. Now here, let us consider the first condition. What is the first condition? The total distance is what? 1900 kilometers. So this plus this should be equal to 1900 kilometers. So according to first condition, I will get the first equation as x plus y should be 1900 kilometers. Let this equation be equation number 1. You ready? Now what I will do, I need what? They have given me second condition indirect way. It takes 5 hours. It takes how many hours? 5 hours. So let us assume that the time taken to travel by bus be t1 and time taken to travel by plane is t2. So what I can say, t1 plus t2 should be equal to 5 hours, isn't it? Now we know that formula speed is equal to distance upon time. We know this formula, isn't it? In science we have learned this in motion. The speed is equal to distance upon time. So time will be equal to distance upon speed, isn't it? Now here t1. Now for t1, that means if I am using this formula, the distance t1 is what? The time taken by the bus. So distance covered by the bus is nothing but x upon speed of the bus is nothing but 60 km per hour. So I am going to write only 60 over here plus t2 for finding t2. Now distance covered by plane is nothing but y and distance covered by plane, the speed of the plane is nothing but 700 is equal to 5. Now to simplify this, what I will do, I will just multiply each and every term by 10. I will multiply each and every term by 10. So what will happen? This will become x upon 6 plus y upon 10 will get cancelled. 70 is equal to what? 50, because 5 into 10. So I have multiplied each term by 10 for simplifying. You can keep as it is also. Fine. Now what I will do, I will cross multiply them. So this will become 70x plus 6y upon 6 into 70 is equal to 50. Fine. So I will get the final equation as 70x plus 6y is equal to, I have to shift this terms over here. So when I shift this term over here, when I multiply 50 with 6, it will become 300 into 70. So 300 into 70, that means 7 is a 21,000. So I will name this equation as equation number 2. You are getting? And just copy it down. Okay, now what I will do, I will solve these two equations. Now I will solve these two equations. Now for solving these two equations, again I am going to use that elimination method. Now what I will do, I will multiply equation 1 by 6. So I am going to write over here, multiply equation 1 by 6. So what difference this will make? So when I multiply this equation number 1 by 6, it will become what? 6x plus 6y is equal to 11,400. So I got 11,400. Now let us number this equation as equation number 3. Now what I will do? I will subtract this equation number 3 from 2. So subtract equation number 3 from 2. So first I will write equation number 2, that is 70x plus 6y is equal to 21,000. Fine. This is equation number 2. Now third equation, 6x plus 6y is equal to 11,400. Fine. This is my equation number 3. Now, when I subtract, I have to change the sign, isn't it? So, the sign will get changed as this will become minus 6x minus 6y minus 11,400, 11,400. When I subtract this will get cancelled. So, you will get 70x minus 6x is nothing but 64x. Is equal to 0, 0, 6, 9. Fine. So I got 64x is equal to 9600, 9600. Therefore x is equal to 9600 upon 64. Fine. Now we have to divide this. So 64, ones are 64, ones are 5. So I got x is equal to 150. Now what this x implies? This x is nothing but the distance we shall travel by bus, isn't it? So here I am going to write, therefore the distance we shall travel by bus is equal to 150 kilometers. That means we shall travel only 150 kilometers. Now in this sum, there is no need of finding the value of y, because they have only asked us to find the distance traveled by bus. Fine. If they asked us to find distance traveled by the plane, then what I will do? I will put this value of x, that means x is equal to 150 in equation number 1. So this will get subtract from 1900 and I will get the value of y, isn't it? Fine. So that was all about practice set 1.5. I hope you must have understand this sum, isn't it? Fine. Thank you, student. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah.